When your T-Mobile SIM card is lost or damaged, taking immediate action is crucial to protect your account and maintain your service. Let's walk through the essential steps you need to take right away. Step 1 is critical. Suspend your service immediately to prevent unauthorized use of your account. This protects you from potential fraud and unauthorized charges while your SIM card is missing or non-functional. You can suspend your service through the T-Mobile app or website. This is the fastest and most convenient method, available 24 hours a day. Step 2. Prepare for the identity verification process. T-Mobile requires several pieces of information to confirm your identity and protect your account from unauthorized access. Having all this information ready will make the replacement process much smoother and faster. The IMEI number can usually be found in your phone's settings under About or by dialing *#06#. Step 3. Choose your replacement method. You have two main options: a traditional physical SIM card or converting to an eSIM if your device supports it. The eSIM option is becoming increasingly popular due to its speed and convenience. However, make sure your device is compatible before choosing this option. Finally, Step 4. Understand the costs involved. T-Mobile charges a replacement fee for physical SIM cards, but eSIM conversion is often free for eligible devices. Remember, taking these immediate steps will protect your account and get you back to full service as quickly as possible. The key is acting fast to suspend service, then following through with the proper verification and replacement process. T-Mobile offers multiple SIM replacement methods to meet different customer needs. Understanding your options helps you choose the fastest and most convenient solution. There are 4 primary ways to replace your T-Mobile SIM card, each designed for different situations and preferences. The most popular method is online or through the T-Mobile app, used by 70% of customers. You can also visit a retail store for complex situations, call customer service for phone support with mail delivery, or convert to an eSIM for instant activation. Now let's explore the 2 main types of SIM technology: traditional physical SIM cards versus the newer eSIM technology. Physical SIM cards are the traditional removable cards that work in all devices, but require 24 to 48 hours for delivery and typically cost $10 to $25 to replace. eSIM technology is built directly into compatible devices, offering instant 5 to 10 minute setup, often free conversion, and enhanced security features, though it only works with newer compatible devices. Let's walk through the eSIM conversion process step by step, which has become increasingly popular due to its speed and convenience. First, verify your device supports eSIM technology and complete the enhanced security verification process through the T-Mobile app or website. After verification, T-Mobile generates a unique QR code sent to you through a secure method, typically via email or displayed in the app. Finally, scan the QR code with your device, follow the device-specific setup instructions, and verify that your network connectivity and all services are working properly. eSIM conversion offers significant advantages, including instant activation, enhanced security, and the convenience of not needing to handle physical cards. This technology represents the future of mobile connectivity. Whether you choose a physical SIM replacement or eSIM conversion, T-Mobile provides multiple convenient options to get you back connected quickly and securely.